Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Aldi to look at all their new finds. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. These beautiful floor pillows are $17. They have a lot of beautiful patterns and a couple of solid colors. So they are a 29 by 29. Water repellent, fade resistant, UV treated, oversized for extra seating. Yeah, really big and feels really, really nice. High velocity floor fan, $40. Rocking director's chair is $50. Nice, it's in blue, green, and gray. Inflatable projector screen, $70. It says just plug in, automatically inflates. Woo, that is amazing. It is 9.5 feet big. High allergen care air filters, they're $7. They have size 16 by 20, 16 by 25, 20 by 20, and 20 by 25. Collapsible cooler with stand, $16 in gray and blue. This is the stand here. Okay, the 3-tier urn planter in gray and black, $17. Step 2 archway falls water table, $40. Oh yes, a lot of fun for the summer, guys. This LED projector, it is $50. 4-pack placemat set, it is $4. So we have a few different colors and patterns. This is one. That green is really pretty. Okay, the 2-piece kitchen towels, 6-piece dish towels or pot holder / oven mitt set, $4. So here's the towels, the 2-piece, the pot holder and mitt, and I'm sure the other pieces are in the back. Bag clips and sink strainers, they are $4. The ones that they have. Ice cube tray assortment, $3. Right here, so they have the mini size and the regular cube size. Acrylic glasses, $5.99 for a 4-pack. This food chopper is $10. Knife set, $8. It is a 6-piece set. This wood and stainless steel utensil for $8. Have this one with the tongs and the spoons. The 14-inch stir-fry wok is $12. 40-ounce vacuum insulated bottles, they are $10. And they have all these beautiful, really beautiful colors, especially that purple. That's really pretty. Okay, the full face snorkeling mask, $15. This rechargeable portable neck fan, it is $9 in all of these beautiful colors. I purchased one on Amazon and they work really, really well. So this is a really good price. Pretty, pretty colors too. Okay, this light up flying disc is $7. Pet mat and bows, $12.99 in tan, mint, and blue. Pet waste scoop, $7. Motion sensing LED ceiling light, $10. These beautiful indoor outdoor area rugs, they are a 5.3 by 7 for $40. Here are all the different patterns. Nice. Boho hanging chair is $50. I think this chair was here last week. Yeah, but it's still here, guys, in case you missed it. Alrighty, this flat panel air circulation fan is $20 in white and black. 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner, $170. 20-inch air circulator fan, $30. So this is the one that you sit on the floor, guys. Alrighty, guys, the summer table runners, they are $10. So they have this pattern, this one. Salad spinner, they are $7. Nice. Expandable lunch or salad container, $8. Okay, I only see it in green and white, guys. This 8-piece glass storage bowls, $10. Not a bad deal for glass. Ooh. Oh, yes, it's dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and microwave safe. Glass only. Ice cream accessories, $4. So we have the squeeze bottles, the sandwich maker, and the ice cream scoop. So this is the sandwich maker here. Okay, I like it, I like it. The acrylic ice cream bowls or milkshake set, $6. So this is the ice cream bowls. And this one is the milkshake glasses. Ice cream storage containers, they are $5. So we have an option of the large one, which is this one. Really pretty colors. And this is the medium ice cream storage containers right here. You get 2. Okay. Small ice cream storage containers. This is an 8-piece set. Yes. Serving tray, $10. Here, chip and dip tray. So it says suitable for outdoor use, and it's also dishwasher safe. The cutting boards, they are $10. So it's 2-pack and one large one. We have this stoneware platter for $10. Novelty pool floats, ice cream, donut, pretzel, or wine bottle, $5. Well, these are really cute, guys. Ooh, ice cream swim ring. Well, how cute. This is the wine bottle. Okay. Beach bags are $10. Here are all the beach bags that they have. Toddlers and children's lightweight slip-ons, they are $4 in purple. This blue, red, and green. Oh, this one has like a little glitter in it. Oh, that's cute. Okay, moving on to the ladies' slide sandals for $7. So this is the black pair here. Oh, yes, guys, this is nice. Ooh, one of the best pair of shoes they've had here. This is the white one. Oh, yes, guys, these are really cute. Only $7. Ooh, that is not bad at all. Alrighty, the pet splash pads, they are $13. Dog Days of Summer Pet Splash Pad. Okay. Nerf dog toy, $12.99. So we have the Chew and Tug 2-pack and the compact blaster. Water bottle, crinkle toy, $4. These are cute. Oh, yeah. Oh, it definitely crinkles. Panko chicken breast tenders, $9.49. 8-pound bag of chicken breasts, $16.99. This pack here. Checkers Rally's famous Caesar fries, $4.74. Okay, they have the hash brown sticks, shredded potatoes for $3.29. They also have the onion rings right next to it for $3.79. Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen Rise and Crust Chicken, Spinach, and Garlic Pizza, $4.99. Mac and cheese bites or loaded potato skins, $3.49. Mac and cheese bites. They also have the White Castle chicken and cheese sliders for $5.49. You get 4 sliders. Okay, Season's Choice, balsamic honey or garlic parmesan roasted vegetables for $3. Loaded tater barrel, $4. Yes, it says with cheddar cheese, uncured bacon bites, and jalapenos. Sara Lee Dutch apple pie here for $5. Ooh. Frozen root beer and vanilla ice cream float, $4. Vanilla ice cream filled cupcakes, $4.95 for 4. These solar fireballs are $16.99. Globe string lights, they are $10. They have the clear ones and they also have the multicolored ones. Modern picnic basket with serving lid, $13 in black and white. Bamboo picnic set, $20. It is dishwasher safe and it is a 10-piece. The fold up picnic blanket, $15. One here. This is one. And that's one right there. Okay. The flexible tubs are $5. Beautiful colors. Oh yes, it says soft handles and great universal storage. Backpack coolers are $10. They have 4 different patterns. Let's see here. Right there. This 30 by 47 Manhattan doormat is $15. Indoor outdoor runners are $15. Nest swing is $30. Age 3 and up. Nice, 40 inches in diameter. So they have it in this caramel flavor, strawberry, well, delicious strawberry flavor. Yeah, only $3.19. And they also have the milk chocolate stuffed marshmallows for $3.45. Ooh, that is dangerous. Okay. Betty Crocker's Supreme Triple Chalk and Supreme Walnut Brownie Mix for $2.27. Cheddar Crunch Trail Mix, $8. But I've never heard of Cheddar Crunch Trail Mix. Huh. And they also have the Cheddar Jalapeno Trail Mix. Live G Free Cheddar Cheese Biscuit Mix, $3.69. Dried cranberries and glazed walnut salad topping, $1.99. They also have the sliced almonds and dried cranberries, honey roasted. Okay, really good on your salads. Alrighty, the Gatorade is $7.98 for a 12-pack. This large pack of Sour Then Sweet Sour Patch Kids, $7.28. It says red, white, and blue. Alrighty. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Aldi. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. And also, don't forget to go back and watch some of my previous uploads. I appreciate you all, guys. Thank you again, and I'll see you all in the next one.